Production of the Russian Presidential Personal SUV Aurus Komendant begins with ultra-high-strength galvanized steel. Computer-controlled rollers eliminate internal stress from every steel sheet. This guarantees dimensional accuracy for the Aurus Komendant body panels. Fiber lasers cut every body panel with exceptional precision. Each blank follows the exact digital engineering design. Every panel is digitally identified before forming begins. Automated sorting keeps every component perfectly organized. Massive hydraulic presses transform flat steel into structural body panels. Each press cycle creates an exact production quality component. Laser trimming removes excess material with micron-level precision. Every edge is prepared for perfect body assembly. The roof section gains its final aerodynamic profile. Precision forming ensures maximum structural strength. Laser inspection confirms every panel meets engineering specifications. Only flawless components continue to assembly. Hundreds of robotic welds create an exceptionally rigid structure. Every weld is computer-controlled for maximum consistency. Additional reinforcements improve strength and passenger safety. Critical structural zones receive extra support. The body floor joins the reinforced chassis with precise alignment. Locator pins ensure repeatable assembly accuracy. Automated welding permanently bonds the floor structure. Every weld is digitally monitored for quality. The vehicle side structure defines the SUV's passenger compartment. Every frame is positioned with millimeter precision. The body in white begins to resemble the iconic Aurus Komendant. Next, the upper body structure will complete the vehicle shell. The precision-formed roof panel is positioned using automated laser guidance. Perfect alignment is essential before permanent welding begins. Robotic welding permanently bonds the roof to the reinforced body shell. Hundreds of welds create exceptional structural rigidity. Every body dimension is verified using high-precision laser scanners. Only perfectly aligned structures continue production. Industrial sealant protects every welded joint from water and corrosion. The sealing process also improves cabin durability. Every welded surface is refined for a flawless exterior finish. Smooth metal ensures premium paint quality. Every surface is thoroughly cleaned before corrosion protection. Even microscopic contaminants are eliminated. The body receives an advanced electrocoating for long-term corrosion protection. The process reaches even hidden internal cavities. A uniform protective layer now covers the entire vehicle structure. The coating prepares the body for curing. Controlled heat permanently cures the corrosion-resistant coating. The body is now ready for primer application. The primer creates the perfect base for premium automotive paint. It also improves long-term paint adhesion. Controlled curing hardens the primer into a durable foundation. The surface is prepared for final color. Electrostatic painting produces exceptional coverage with minimal waste. The first color coat creates the vehicle's signature appearance. A second precision coat enhances depth, gloss, and protection. The finish is inspected continuously during application. A transparent protective layer delivers exceptional gloss and durability. It shields the finish from environmental wear. The multi-layer paint system is permanently cured for a showroom-quality finish. Next, mechanical assembly transforms. The cured body receives a final paint inspection under high-intensity lighting. Only flawless finishes continue to mechanical assembly. The reinforced subframes provide the structural base for the suspension and drivetrain. Every mounting point is checked before assembly continues. The front suspension is assembled for precise handling and ride comfort. Every fastener is tightened using digital torque control. The rear suspension is engineered for luxury comfort and stability. Every component is aligned before drivetrain installation. High-performance braking components are installed for maximum stopping power. Every brake assembly is electronically torque verified. High-performance braking components are installed for maximum stopping power. Every brake assembly is electronically torque verified. Verify the routing on bank 2.
Looks good. Torque check on the mounts now.
Confirmed, everything within spec. The all-wheel drive system connects power to every wheel. Each driveline component is precisely balanced. The stainless steel exhaust system is installed beneath the chassis. Heat shielding protects surrounding components. The fuel system is installed with sealed high-pressure connections. Every fitting is leak-tested during assembly. Brake lines and electrical systems are carefully routed through the chassis. Protective clips prevent vibration and wear. Initial diagnostics verify communication between major vehicle systems. The powertrain is now ready for body marriage. The painted body and complete chassis finally come together. Precision alignment is critical before permanent fastening. The body marriage transforms separate assemblies into a complete luxury SUV. Next, interior installation and luxury craftsmanship begin. Multi-layer acoustic insulation transforms the cabin into a quiet luxury environment. Each section is carefully fitted to eliminate unwanted vibration. The main wiring harness connects every electronic system inside the vehicle. Each connector is locked into its designated position. Control modules manage every major electronic function of the SUV. Each module is connected before interior components are installed. The dashboard becomes the command center of the luxury cabin. Precision mounting ensures perfect fit and finish. The steering system is precisely aligned with the front suspension. The multifunction steering wheel completes the driver's controls. The climate control system is integrated for consistent cabin comfort. Air ducts are carefully routed throughout the interior. The center console combines luxury craftsmanship with advanced controls. Hidden fasteners create a seamless interior appearance. Premium door panels combine handcrafted materials with integrated electronics. Every panel is fitted for a flawless luxury finish. Precision-cut carpeting completes the foundation of the luxury interior. The material is shaped perfectly around every mounting point. Power-adjustable front seats are mounted with precision. Electrical connections enable heating, ventilation, and adjustment functions. The spacious rear seating area is assembled for executive-level comfort. Integrated electronics are connected before testing. The headliner conceals wiring while providing a refined cabin finish. Integrated lighting is connected during installation. Precision adhesive secures the windshield and rear glass. Robotic placement guarantees a perfect weatherproof seal. Each side window is carefully installed and electronically tested. Smooth operation confirms correct alignment. Every door is adjusted to achieve perfectly even panel gaps. Next, the vehicle receives its exterior components, lighting systems, wheels, and final quality testing. The painted front bumper is carefully aligned with the body shell. Digital positioning ensures a seamless exterior finish. The signature grille defines the commanding appearance of the Aurus Komendant. Integrated sensors support advanced driver assistance systems. Precision-built LED headlamps are installed for maximum visibility. Electronic connectors prepare the lighting system for testing. The precision-painted hood is fitted with millimeter accuracy. Perfect panel gaps reflect premium craftsmanship. The rear bumper integrates advanced parking and safety technology. Every connector is verified before final fastening. The distinctive LED taillights complete the rear lighting system. Each module is tested immediately after installation. The powered tailgate is precisely aligned with the rear body. Integrated electronics enable effortless operation. Premium alloy wheels complete the vehicle's rolling chassis. Every wheel is tightened using digitally calibrated torque systems. Automated systems fill every essential fluid with precise accuracy. Each quantity is electronically monitored and verified. The Aurus Komendant comes to life as its electronic systems power up. Initial diagnostics verify communication across all control modules. The twin-turbo V8 engine performs its first factory startup. Engine systems stabilize while onboard diagnostics monitor performance. Advanced software calibration synchronizes every electronic system. Each module is configured to factory specifications. Factory dynamometer testing verifies drivetrain performance. Engine, transmission, and braking systems are evaluated under load. High-pressure water testing confirms complete weather sealing. The cabin is inspected for even the smallest leak. The completed Aurus Komendant receives a meticulous factory detailing. Every surface is polished to achieve a flawless finish. Premium leather, wood, and digital displays are carefully detailed. The luxury cabin is prepared for its first owner. Protective films preserve the flawless finish during delivery. Interior surfaces are also shielded from handling. The Aurus Komendant leaves the assembly line for dynamic evaluation. Every system is tested under real driving conditions. Engineers verify handling, braking, and ride comfort. Every driving characteristic meets factory standards. A comprehensive electronic inspection confirms flawless operation. Every onboard system is verified before approval. Production data is verified and digitally approved. The vehicle officially completes factory manufacturing. The finishing touches complete the Aurus Komendant's distinguished appearance. Every emblem is aligned with exceptional precision. The completed Aurus Komendant is showcased from every angle. Its craftsmanship reflects the precision of the entire manufacturing process. Protective equipment safeguards the vehicle during shipment. The completed SUV is now ready to leave the factory. The finished vehicle is loaded with precision for safe transportation. Every movement is carefully supervised. Heavy-duty restraints protect the vehicle throughout transportation. A final inspection confirms complete security. After months of engineering and craftsmanship, the Aurus Komendant begins its journey. The manufacturing process is now complete. Every component has come together to create a flagship luxury SUV. The Aurus Komendant stands as a symbol of precision manufacturing. From raw steel to a world-class luxury SUV, every